your girl Faith L93. Thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Okay, you guys, so today we're just going to get right into it. What I have for you is a hair review on these crochet butterfly locks. These are like long 24-inch crochet butterfly locks by ZRQ Beauty Hair, and this hair can be found on Amazon. Guys, I will make sure that I leave all the links to the hair down in the description box below, so please check out the description box if you want to know where you can purchase this hair from. So I was sent this hair from ZRQ Beauty, and I've literally had this hair in my head for about 7 weeks, you guys. So this style has lasted me 7 weeks. And I honestly think that it still looks pretty good. Like, I could still wear this. But I am so ready to take my hair down. So ready. First, let's get into what the hair looks like. First of all, it came in this packaging. This is the little bag that it came in. And it came with 6 packs of hair. And each pack has 10 butterfly locks in it. So I used about 5.5 packs. If you don't want your hair to be as heavy, I say try to only use like 4 packs. So let me show you what let me show you what the butterfly lock looks like. So this is definitely a different type of butterfly lock. These are very lightweight. And they just look really distressed. Well, they are very distressed. And then they have the curls down at the end. And so these are 24 inches, you guys. So let me stand up so y'all can see where these locks are hidden at on me. And I am 5'7". So they are coming down past my waist. And as you can see, they are hitting. If I pull on it, the curls are hitting right at my butt. Okay, so these locks are pretty long. What I did to install this method is the individual crochet method, and of course I will show you guys how I did that. And to install it, I used this hair to wrap. Now this is the Afri Natural 2-time Nubian Spring Twist hair, and this is perfect for wrapping my hair, you guys. So I am going to go to the clip now of me showing how I installed these into my hair. So check it out. Alright, you guys, so first I am starting off with just my plaits. Here is the butterfly lock that I'm going to be using. I'm going to crochet that hair through one of my plaits like such. And then we're going to take my plait and pull it through that loop that we just created, as well as the butterfly lock. We're going to pull it through the loop and pull tight. Now I'm taking the Afri Newbie twist hair that I showed you guys earlier in the video, and I'm just going to kind of fluff and separate that hair in half. You don't need a whole lot, just a little bit, because it's going to be super duper easy to blend your plait into this hair. And then I'm just going to crochet that newbie twist hair through the plait, and I'm going to pull one side shorter than the other so I have a long piece to work with. If your hair is shorter, then you don't have to pull it as long, but my hair is a little bit longer, so I need all the hair in order to wrap. So you just kind of wrap down, and it does not have to be perfect because the locks are so distressed, like it's going to hide the imperfections. And so you can palm roll it once you're finished wrapping it all the way, and it's going to stay and lock in place for the whole time. So I'm just showing it again on this side. I'm doing the same exact thing, pulling that butterfly lock through my plait, then pulling my plait through, and then the butterfly lock through, and then pulling tight on it so that it is not going anywhere, honey. Then I am taking that newbie twist hair. If you need for the hair to be a little bit thicker, you can always add some more hair to it. And then I'm going to crochet that through the plait as well. and we're just gonna wrap it. Wrap it on down. Of course, pull one side shorter than the other, and then you can just start wrapping. And you want to wrap all the way down, covering your hair up. So just wrap, 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 honey. So this is how I installed all the locks on my hair, and it was pretty easy to do. So hopefully after seeing this, you guys should be able to do it at home. Alright you guys, so that's how I installed my hair. It was really super duper easy, super duper quick. The longest thing honestly was braiding my hair in these little plaits first before installing it. So I have free range of motion all over, as y'all can see. I have a lot of new growth from wearing these locks. But I really like this hair, you guys. Would I purchase this hair again? Most definitely. And I do think that you guys should get it. The curls, they've kind of dropped a little bit compared to the hair that hasn't been installed. This is a little bit more curly. As y'all can see, my curls have kind of dropped. And y'all, I have not worn a scarf. I have not worn a bonnet or anything on my hair when I go to bed at night. And this is what 7 weeks of hair is looking like. And I honestly think that it looks awesome still. Like, it still looks good. So overall, I would say that there are really no cons about this hair, except for maybe if you install too many, it might be a little heavy. But if your neck and stuff can handle that, then go for it. I would definitely say just try to stick to installing 4 packs to 4.5 packs of hair. Make your parts a little bit bigger. But if you want to go for the look of mine and get 5.5 packs, then you can go for it, girl. So on some of the reviews on Amazon, some people said that the hair was tangling, but I have not experienced like any of that for real. Like, I haven't experienced any tangling. I can pretty much run my hands through my hair. The only thing is that this hair kind of gets caught on my earrings right up here. So that kind of irritates me. But other than that, like, that's it. And honestly, if you don't have an earring up there, then it's not going to irritate you like that. But yeah, I have no cons about this hair, y'all. Like, y'all need to get this hair. Go get it. Mark my words. Go get it. You won't regret it. Try it out. See if you like it, if you love it. This hair is definitely cheaper than going to the hair store and buying 6 packs of hair for $9.99 or $10. Like I said, I have nothing bad to say about ZRQ. The hair came super duper quick with shipping. I do have Amazon Prime though, so I don't know, maybe that has something to do with it. But I really love this hair, you guys. Definitely purchase it from ZRQ Beauty. Once again, I do have the link to the hair in the description below, so please go check it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I installed it into my hair. And if you guys want to see more crochet hairstyle tutorials and stuff, or just hair tutorials in general, let me know down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.